Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rajesh Kar, studying in Venkateswara College of Engineering. Now I am here to explain about engineering and electromagnetics. Introduction to electromagnetics. Electromagnetism is a branch of physics that deals with the electromagnetic force that occurs between electrically charged particles. The electromagnetic force is one of the four fundamental forces that exhibits electromagnetic fields such as magnetic fields, electric fields, and light. It is a basic reason electrons are bonded to the nucleus are responsible for the complete structure of nucleus. Electromagnetic force. The electromagnetic force is a type of physical interaction that occurs between electrically charged particles. It acts between charged particle and its combination of all magnetic and electrical forces. The electromagnetic force can be attractive or repulsive. Before the invention of the electromagnetism, people or scientists used to think electricity and magnetism are two different topics. Their review has changed after James Clerk Maxwell published a treatise on electricity and magnetism in the year 1873. The publication states that the interaction of positive and negative charges are mediated by one force. This observation led to foundation of electromagnetism. Later, many scientists like Michael Faraday, Oliver Evershed, and Heinrich Hertz contributed their ideas in electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is an interaction that occurs between particles within electrical charge via electric magnetic fields. The electromagnetic force is one of the four fundamental forces of nature. This is the dominant force in the interaction of atoms and molecules. Electromagnetism can be thought of as a combination of electrostatics and magnetism, which is distinct but closely intertwined phenomena. Electromagnetic forces occur between any two charged particles. Electric forces causes attraction between particles with opposite charge and repulsion between charges with the same charge, and while magnetism is an interaction that occurs between charged particles in relative motion. Those two forces are described in terms of electromagnetic field, macroscopic change objects, and described in the terms of Coulomb's law for electricity and Ampere's law for magnetism. Lorentz law for describe macroscopic charged particles. Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is an experimental law of physics that calculates the amount of force between two electrically charged particles at rest. The electric force is conventionally called the electrostatic force or Coulomb force. All the law was known earlier. It was first published in 1785 by French physicist Charles Augustin by D. Coulomb's law was essential to development of theory for electromagnetism and maybe even starting point, as it allowed meaningful decisions of the amount of electric charge in particles. Formula for the Coulomb's law: F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. F is equal to electrostatic force. K is equal to Coulomb's constant. Q1 Q2 are the charges. R is the distance of separation. Applications of electromagnetics. An electromagnetic is a kind of magnetic field created by the electric current. The uses of electromagnetics are given are to help learners understand the topic more effectively. Electromagnetics can be described as a temporary magnetic that functions with the help of electromagnetic force. The magnetic strength of electromagnetic can be easily altered by varying the amount of electric current, and its polarity can be changed by varying direction of electric current. Electromagnetics are used for various purposes on day-to-day basis. For example, electromagnetics are used to large cranes which are used for waste yards. Electromagnetics are also widely used in numerous electrochemical and electric devices. Some common uses are given below: generators, motors and transformers, electric buzzers and bells, headphones and loudspeakers, relays and waves, data store devices like VCRs, tape recorders, etc., induction cooker, magnetic clocks, MRI machines, practical accelerators, mass spectrometers. Uses in home applications. Most of electrical appliances used in home as electromagnetism as a basic work of principle. Some electromagnetic uses in home include the electric fan, electric doorbell, induction cooker, magnetic locks, etc. In an electric fan, the electromagnetic induction keeps the motor rotating on and on, making the blade of fan to rotate. Also, the electric doorbell, when the button is pressed due to electromagnetic forces, the coil gets energized and the bell sounds. Uses in medical field. The uses of electromagnetic are also seen in the medical field. MRI scan, which is a sort of magnetic resonance imaging in a device that uses electromagnetics. The device can be then scan all the tiny details in the human body with the help of electromagnetism. Uses in memory storage devices and computer hardware. The data is ebook and gets the phone and stored in the electromagnetic format in the form of bytes and bits. The computer hardware is always having magnetic tape, which works on the principle of electromagnetism. Even in the olden days, electromagnetics had a huge role of data store of VCR and VPR. Uses in communication. Without electromagnetics, the mobiles and the telephones we used to make phone calls over a long distance could not able to taken shape. The electromagnetic pulses and the interaction of the signals make mobiles electrophone very hard. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.